Hello everyone, this is Group J5 of first year from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune. Today we will be talking about virtual memory. These are the group members who will be assisting you with today's video. And let's begin.
I am Adarsh Kare, roll number 25. So we are going to talk about the virtual memory. In virtual memory, we are going to discuss about the need of virtual memory, importance of virtual memory, advantages, disadvantages, address space and memory space, and also the page replacement algorithm, which is FIFO, LRU and OPT. So talking about the virtual memory is a common part of operating system on desktop computer. The term virtual memory refers to something which appears to be present but actually it is not. So virtual memory is a memory management technique used by operating system to extend the available memory beyond the physical RAM, which is random access memory installed in a computer. It allows program to use more memory than is physically present by utilizing a combination of RAM and disk space. In a virtual memory system, each process has its own virtual address space, which is divided into fixed size chunks called pages. These pages serves as the basic unit of memory allocation and management. The corresponding physical memory is divided into pages frame of the same size. So when a program refers a memory location within the virtual address space, the virtual memory system translates the virtual address to the physical address. This translation is performed by hardware component known as memory management unit, which is MMU. If the page contains the referred memory location, it already present in physical memory, the MMU translates the virtual address to corresponding physical address and the memory access provides normally. However, if the page is not present in the physical memory, the operating system must fetch the required page from the disk into an available frame in RAM.
I am Aditi Khalche, roll number 24. So, what is the need of virtual memory? Virtual memory is not an imaginary memory but a technique used by computer operating system to extend the available memory beyond the physical RAM installed in a system. It provides a way to address more memory than what is physically present, allowing program to run efficiently even if their memory requirements exceed the available physical RAM. Virtual memory is not a temporary memory in the sense that it disappears when the system is powered off. It is a technique that allows the system to use disk or other storage devices as an extension of physical memory, providing a larger addressable memory space for programs to utilize. Virtual memory divides the logic address space into pages translated to physical address by the hardware. Virtual memory provides several benefits including increased usable memory. Programs can utilize more memory than what is physically available, enabling the execution of larger and more complex tasks. Memory isolation. Each process has its own virtual address space, isolating it from other processes. This ensures that one process cannot access or modify the memory of other process. Simplified memory management. Virtual memory simplifies memory management for both the operating system and the application developers. It abstracts the physical memory details, allowing programs to be written without considering the constants of physical memory. Memory protection. Virtual memory enables the operating system to enforce memory protection mechanisms. It assigns appropriate access permissions to different memory pages, preventing unauthorized access and enhancing system security. Overall, virtual memory is a crucial concept in modern computer systems, allowing for efficient memory utilization and enabling the execution of complex programs with large memory requirement than the available physical RAM.
So next point is importance of virtual memory. When your computer ran out of physical memory, it writes what it needs to remember to the hard disk in a swap file as virtual memory. It allows a computer to compensate for physical memory storage by temporarily transferring data from RAM to hard drive storage. If a computer running window requires more memory or RAM than there is installed in the system to run a program, etc., it uses a small section of hard drive for this purpose. In short, some amount of memory from hard drive is used to execute the program. So the next point is address space and memory space. Virtual memory is the address used by the programmer, and the set of such addresses is called space. An address in main memory is called a physical address. The set of such location in main memory is called memory space. Thus, the memory space consists of actual main memory location directly addressable for processing.
Hello everyone, my name is Burhanuddin Hedwala, roll number 29, and I am going to explain you about page replacement algorithm and its methods. Page replacement algorithm. In a computer operating system that uses paging for virtual memory management, page replacement algorithm decide which memory pages to page out when a page of memory needs to be allocated. Imagine a library with limited shelves. When a new book arrives, we must replace an existing one. Similarly, in computers, when memory is full, we use page replacement algorithms to swap out pages. They ensure vital data remains accessible, optimizing system performance. There are different types of methods for performing it: FIFO, first in first out; LRU, least recently used; and OPT, optimal. FIFO, first in first out. FIFO is very easy to implement. The FIFO algorithm selects the page for replacement that has been in memory the longest time. First in first out is a page replacement algorithm used in computer system with limited memory. When a new page needs to be loaded into memory but no space is available, the FIFO algorithm replaces the oldest page currently in memory. It follows the principle of first come first served. This approach ensures fairness, but it may not always result in the most efficient memory usage. If a process refers back to replaced page, a page fault occurs, requiring the page to be fetched from the secondary storage. FIFO is simple to implement but may not prioritize pages based on the importance or frequency of access.
I am Meghaj Kharwadkar, roll number 27. LRU, the least recently used page replacement algorithm, keeps track of page used over a short period of time. The LRU algorithm can be implemented by associating a counter with every page that is in main memory. It is a popular cache eviction policy used in computer system to manage the contents of a cache. Cache are used to reduce the time it takes to access data from a slower storage location, such as a hard disk or network. The LRU algorithm replaces the least recently used page with a new one. Page replacement algorithms are essential to decide which page is needed to be replaced when a new page comes in. Whenever a page is referred but is not present in the memory, page fault occurs, and the algorithm refers to the existing page that is present in the memory. OPT stands for Optimal Page Replacement, and it is a page replacement algorithm used in computer systems to manage the content of memory when there is not enough physical memory available to hold all the required pages. Page replacement algorithms are used by the operating system to decide which page should be removed from memory when a new page is needed to be brought in. The OPT algorithm is based on the idea of choosing the page that will not be needed for longest time in the future. This algorithm requires the knowledge of future memory references, which is not possible in practice, but it is used as theoretical reference for evaluating the performance of other page replacement algorithms. The OPT algorithm is considered to be most efficient page replacement algorithm because it has the lowest possible page fault rate, meaning that it evicts pages that are never needed again, maximizing the use of available memory. However, since it requires knowledge of future memory references, it is impractical to implement in real-world system. In practice, other page replacement algorithms such as LRU, clock, or FIFO are used.
Hi, I'm Prathamesh Khedkar, roll number 28. So, in the end, we will be discussing about what advantages of virtual memory and disadvantages of virtual memory. So, advantages of virtual memory: it allows processes whose aggregate memory requirement is greater than the amount of physical memory, as infrequently used pages can reside on the disk. Virtual memory allows speed gain when only a particular segment of the program is required for the execution of the program. This concept is very helpful in implementing multi-programming environment. It can handle twice as many addresses as main memory. It enables more applications to be used at once. It frees applications from managing shared memory and saves users from having to add memory modules when RAM space runs out. So now we move on to disadvantages of virtual memory. So applications run slower if the system is using virtual memory. It takes more time to switch between applications, less hard drive space for your use. It reduces system stability. Applications run slower if they are running from virtual memory. Data must be mapped between virtual and physical memory, which requires extra hardware support for address transitions, slowing the computer further.